Hello everybody. Today we'll be recording the second lecture on thermodynamics. In the last lecture we had discussed about systems and surroundings. In this lecture we will go a bit deeper into defining systems. Well, in the last lecture we had discussed that we are a part of the universe. We are not apart from the universe. And the universe consists of the system and the surrounding. The sum total of the system and the surroundings is nothing but the universe. Now let us define further what are the kinds of systems that we can have. Chiefly in thermodynamics we come across three kinds of system. One kind of a system is a closed system. The other system is open system. And the third system is the isolated system. Well, what are these three kinds of systems now? Closed system, open system, and isolated system. A closed system is a system in which energy can flow in and out. Energy can flow in and energy can flow out. But mass cannot flow in. Mass cannot flow. Neither it can flow in, neither it can flow out. So therefore, for a closed system, the mass of the system is constant. The mass of the system is constant in a closed system. Only energy can flow in and energy can flow out. The other system is the open system. In the open system, the mass can flow in. So therefore, apart from energy, the mass can flow in and the mass can flow out. And energy can also cross across the boundaries. So mass can go across the boundaries and energy can also go across the boundaries. Now most of the real world systems are these kind of systems. I'm not saying that in real world we do not have closed systems, but most of the systems, if we look around ourselves, they are open systems. A third kind of system so in an open system, the mass is not constant. As we can see, the mass is not constant. Right? So let's make a note of it. Mass not constant. Fine. Now let's look at the third kind of system, which is the isolated system. Well, in isolated system, neither can energy flow in and out, and neither can mass flow in or out. It's totally isolated. So how do you make an isolated system? Well, it's pretty simple. You take any system, a practical system, and you insulate it off. You make an insulation around it. So the insulation will ensure that no energy can flow in and no mass also can flow in. So mass and energy both cannot flow in and out in an isolated system. So these are the three kinds of systems. So what did we learn today? We have an isolated system, we have a closed system, and we have an open system. In an open system, mass and energy can flow in, out. In a closed system, only energy can flow in and out. In an isolated system, no flows across boundary. So this was all about the kinds of systems that we come across in thermodynamics. If you have any doubts, you can always write to me. You can always message me. This was all about systems. Have a great day and do subscribe to my channel. Do like it if you find that it has been worth your time. Bye.